What's your name? Nice to meet you. My name's Warren.
You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.